Hi guys. I wanted to share with you what I have been enjoying lately, actually since Tuesday, since I got my shipment in. If you haven't known, or if you don't know, I actually have given up coffee. It's been almost 2 months now. So I have a new obsession with tea, and because of that, I have become friends with a lot of other tea lovers, which has made me dive into a new business through sipology. And so I wanted to share with you something that I have been loving the last. My phone keeps doing these weird things. What it is I want to show you how to make my favorite vanilla iced latte. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. Hi Jamie, how are you? Okay, well, first of all, this tea is just, I can't believe how good it is. The smell, I mean, you get that earthy smell, but it's not bitter. When most green teas that I've tried have a bitter, even a really icky aftertaste, not this one. So I have right here, I've got some water, and what came with my kit that I got on Tuesday is this little matcha spoon here, and this I would consider probably about 2 cups when it's all done. So, which means I'm going to use a full one of these matcha spoons, because half of one of these is for a cup. But look at the color of this. Look at, oh my gosh. Actually, my daughter downloaded something on my phone and it's doing some crazy stuff. Hi Krishna, how are you? Okay, so I haven't really got all the other goodies that I have ordered since I started doing this tea, because it is crazy. I am like falling in love with all this stuff. So I got a whisk on the way and I got the frother on the way. But let me show you how you can do this real quick just with a fork. And you want to whisk this until you get little tiny bubbles on top. And what you're doing is actually adding oxygen in there while you're doing it. Okay, so I got bubbles. You see the bubbles? I know it would be a lot better if I had a whisk. On the way, along with my daughter downloaded something on my phone that keeps like doing some weird stuff. So next time I probably won't do this on my phone. So I'm going to add just a little bit more water, since that's pretty much mixed up, so that's there, that looks better. Then we're going to add the ice. It's already almost melted. That's how warm it has been. And then, because I don't have a frother, I have a whisk and a bowl. And I use coconut milk. I am not much of an almond milk person or whole milk or anything like that. I'm lactose intolerant, so I use coconut milk. And I've got this like kind of really whisked up. Can't really froth it too much, but look at this. Doesn't that looks so refreshing, doesn't it? Oh. Yeah. Oh, I needed that pick-me-up. And what I wanted to mention is, if you're a tea lover too, I actually have a summer iced tea party going on right now. The link is in the comments. If you're interested in this loose tea that I am in love with right now, because it gives, this matcha actually right here gives me the sustained energy that I need. And this will give me a mellow energy level. Hi, Clint! For the rest of the day now. Like, if I would have took coffee, I have the ups and downs, and it was really, really bad on my stomach. And I know there's a lot of people out there that prefer tea, and or they drink it once in a while. So I had invited a few of you that I think might be interested in some of the teas and things that we do offer more than just tea. We have scones, we have salad dressings. There's a whole array of items. But if this has sparked your interest at all, check out the link in the comments. And I'm having the party actually starts Saturday night at 6 o'clock. Hi, Sharon. So if you're interested, I will be going live in there. I've got a lot of stuff already plugged in there to give you a lot of information about tea, the owners of the company, and how they got the funding to actually expand into the U.S. All right, I'm going to go enjoy this. You guys have a great day. And I can never shut this thing off.